I want to talk to you about confirmation bias. This is where your brain believes something and it looks for evidence and proof to affirm it. So think about this. What if you believe that there are no good partners out there? What if you believe that they're all taken, or maybe that you're not good enough and you're never going to find that person? What you might find yourself doing is settling for a relationship that you really don't want. Why? Because it fell into your lap. Because deep down inside, you may think that you will not get the relationship that you want. Or if you do get what you want, you may get really, really hurt. This limiting belief that I'm not good enough isn't said out loud. What happens is it's said through your actions, either through self-sabotaging or settling for somebody that you really don't want. You're not going to like this, but in order for you to change your love life, you're going to have to do some self-reflection. You have to go deep. I talk about this in my masterclass where you get to the root cause of your limiting beliefs. Only then will you be able to manage your thoughts and manifest the love and life that you want. So let me know, what limiting belief do you want to let go of right now in the comment section? And then make sure you join my masterclass.